How to fix Messenger notifications not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to turn on Messenger notifications, you'll need to head over to settings on your phone. Then scroll down, go to notifications, and then scroll down and search for Messenger. So tap on it and then toggle on allow notifications. So you can also toggle on time sensitive notifications and you can choose where to get the alerts, lock screen, notification center, or banners. If you don't want banners, then you can just untick it. And then you can also toggle on sounds and badges. And that's it. This is how you allow the notifications on Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.